Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon MG5700 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable auto power off, or how to customize auto power off feature on this device and power on. Firstly, open your embedded web server, then find here device settings and choose energy saving settings, and find here auto power off and set this feature. So you can set up 240 minutes, for example. I will use this feature, and you can enable or disable auto power on feature. Then not forget to click on OK button. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.